This is William Metzine again, traditional martial arts instructor, and today I'm going to give you a bonus Nunchucku lesson, or in Korean, Sonjulbong. So the first thing we'll get started with is grip. We want a close grip at the top. This gives us more control. Now sometimes we will use the extended grip for more power and distance, but for the most part we want more control holding here at the top. So this is what we're going to do. Good tight fist at the top. Make sure it's not too close, pinching your fingers with a chain or the string. Make sure your hand is low enough that that won't happen. And the string or the rope has room to move freely. Alright, so the second thing we're going to move on to is the first technique, which is just a backward circle like this. Alright, just like that. Good job. So I'm going to turn my body. Typically we have another hand up, so let's practice that. I'm going to keep my hand up for a guard, and we're going to go backwards and do the backwards circle, just like this. Yes. Good. Ready? You can slowly build your pace if you want to. Well done. Good. Now that you have that, we are going to go forward. So what that looks like is this, and you can slowly build the speed. So I'm going to put my hand up again, and let's do that backward spin. Well done. I'll go slow and build that speed as you go. Well done. How fast can you go safely? Safely. Good. Now this makes a really good wrist warm-up before workouts too. So if you ever go to the gym and you're going to lift some really heavy weights, just do some circles back and forth with your nunchucks, and it'll start some conversations for sure. Why is that guy spinning nunchucks? Just go backwards and forwards. Good. And this will warm up your wrists, get you ready for the gym. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is the striking switch, which looks like this. Simply laying it over your shoulder. Now you could catch it with your arm like I do there, but we're going to strike and we're going to switch. So instead of catching it, I'm going to use my hand, intercept, and come up like that. Swing my body up, just like that. Boom. Cross your body, and as you see my hand, it just falls into place. It may not do that for you the first time. Just give yourself some time to practice and master it. Now I notice one thing a lot of people do as they're trying to catch it. They'll turn this way as they're trying to catch it. If you turn too soon, the momentum of this will make it hit your back, which you can't reach it. You want it to come right under your arm. Right under your arm so you can catch it. So make sure that you turn after you catch it, getting ready for that switch, because the turn is for the strike. As you notice, once it goes under my arm, I don't turn anymore. So that's for the strike, but then my hand catches it. Right? What I do not do, as opposed to that, right? Trying it that way, going there. You just simply want to go under your arm, just like that. Good. So let's recap. We learned the proper grip, proper grip up here at the top. Second, we learned backward spin and forward spin. Thirdly, we learned the striking switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That should be enough to practice for now. Spent a lot of time practicing. It was an honor. Cheerio. Kinye. Jubi. See you next lesson.